Welcome to the Fish Island Village YouTube channel. This video series gives you an overview of the key features in your new home. Of course, there's more detailed information in your handover pack and any relevant operation manuals. This particular video is for the EnviroVent Energy Saver 210, which is the mechanical ventilation system within the flats and apartments and maisonettes. So, simple operation is there is actually no day-to-day running needed for this piece of kit. There's nothing for you to do apart from some very simple maintenance which is carried out every 6 months with filter replacements after every 2 years. So just to go over the unit before I go into the changing of the filters, below the unit we have the condense pipe, and the condense pipe takes away any water that naturally drains out from the system, which is the way the system should operate, goes down into the inline trap and is taken away. This is silently constantly running, so there's no need to worry about this at all, and just to highlight what this element actually is. Within the unit itself, there's nothing for you to do, just a minor filter changing, which is literally a 5-minute job every 6 months. The additional filters can be purchased from the envirovent.com, and there's contact details in the pack for this manufacturer. So once I've told you about the procedure for the changing the filters, the only thing before I do that is to tell you about the boost switch. So currently this fan is operating very quietly, the doors on the cupboard are open and you can still hardly hear it, which is good. The fan will go into boost mode for one of two ways. The first way is there's a single switch next to the hob above the worktop in the kitchen. If you turn that on when more extract is needed, then the fan will boost. In a similar fashion, when you're in your wet area, when I say wet area I mean the bathroom or the ensuite, when you turn the main light on, the same thing will happen, the fan will boost. If for any reason the air in the flat generally is got high humidity, the actual fan will regulate that itself and will turn up the system or turn down the system related to the kind of humidity stat that's built into the unit. So basically no operation needed from yourself, activated on boost on light switches, all very easy. So the final thing is just the vent. So I can hopefully do this with one hand. There you go. So I pull off the black cover, and then inside you see two vents, and if you can see there's an arrow on them both, one of them is obscured. So all you do is you pull out the tab. You don't get this wet at all, you shake and you hoover it, but you don't get it wet. It's very important of that. And then basically just put it back in. Again, just ensuring that the arrow is the right way up. And once you've replaced the cover, that's it. Okay, hope the video is of use. Thanks very much.